Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $129.99, this sewing machine is perfect for beginners or casual users who want a reliable entry-level model. It comes with 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, plus an auto-size buttonhole feature. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin ensure hassle-free setup, which is especially useful for newcomers. The XM2701 is lightweight and compact, making it a great choice for portability. Despite its affordable price, it includes 6 sewing feet and several accessories like a twin needle, bobbins, and an instructional DVD, giving users plenty of functionality to explore. The free arm design is ideal for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other tricky areas, while the machine's sturdy build ensures smooth operation for everyday projects. However, as a budget model, it doesn't have the advanced features or heavy-duty performance seen in pricier options. It's best suited for light sewing tasks rather than complex quilting or embroidery. Overall, the XM2701 offers exceptional value for beginners looking to dip their toes into sewing without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Singer HeavyDuty 4452 sewing machine. This model is designed with durability and power in mind, featuring a strong motor for enhanced piercing capabilities. At $219.99, it's ideal for users who frequently work with thicker fabrics like denim or leather. With 110 stitch applications, including stretch and decorative stitches, as well as a one-step buttonhole, it offers versatility for a range of projects. The machine's full metal frame provides stability and ensures long-lasting durability. The top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover makes thread management easy and eliminates jams. The built-in needle threader is a convenient addition that saves time during setup. Plus, it comes with an accessory kit that includes multiple presser feet, needles, and more, making it ready for action right out of the box. While it excels in power and durability, the HeavyDuty 4452 lacks some of the advanced features found in computerized models, such as an LCD display or automatic stitch adjustment. It's geared more toward intermediate users or those who prioritize heavy-duty performance over high-tech extras. If you're looking for a robust machine that can handle tough materials, this is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Brother XR9550 sewing and quilting machine. This computerized model offers a leap in functionality, with 165 built-in stitches, including 55 alphanumeric stitches for monogramming and 8 auto-size buttonholes. Priced at $229.99, it's a mid-range option perfect for users who want to move beyond basic sewing projects and explore quilting or decorative stitching. The LCD screen is intuitive and makes it easy to select your stitches and settings. The wide table is a standout feature, providing ample space for larger projects like quilts. The machine includes 8 presser feet and a protective hard cover, giving users flexibility and durability. Its automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbins simplify setup while ensuring smooth operation. While it's packed with features, the XR9550 is slightly bulkier than other models and may not be ideal if portability is a priority. Additionally, advanced users might find the machine's speed limiting for high-volume tasks. Overall, this is an excellent choice for hobbyists and intermediate users ready to expand their sewing repertoire. At number 2, we have the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine. Priced at $239.99, this model strikes an impressive balance between affordability and advanced features. It includes 70 built-in stitches, ranging from utility and decorative stitches to quilting functions, and offers 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes for added versatility. The improved needle threader and jam-resistant bobbin make setup effortless. What sets the CS7000X apart is its durable metal frame and fixed needle bar, ensuring cleaner stitching and greater precision. The larger needle-to-arm workspace is perfect for quilting or handling larger projects. It also comes with a wide table, hard case, and 10 sewing feet, making it one of the most feature-packed machines in its price range. The LCD display is easy to navigate, allowing users to quickly select and customize their stitches. The CS7000X is ideal for intermediate users or quilters looking for a reliable machine without stepping into premium territory. However, it lacks embroidery capabilities, which might be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, it's a powerful and versatile machine that delivers exceptional value for its price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother SE700 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This premium model is priced at $499.98 and combines sewing and embroidery functionalities, making it the ultimate choice for creative professionals and enthusiasts alike. It features 135 built-in embroidery designs, 103 sewing stitches, and 10 auto-size buttonholes, offering limitless possibilities for customization. The SE700's standout feature is its wireless LAN connectivity, allowing users to transfer embroidery files directly from a computer or mobile device via the Artspira app. The 4x4 embroidery field, paired with the included hoop and embroidery arm, makes working on complex designs a breeze. The 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen enables on-screen editing and previews, making it incredibly user-friendly. Additionally, the machine includes 8 sewing feet and a comprehensive accessory kit. While the SE700 is loaded with cutting-edge features, its higher price point may be prohibitive for casual users or beginners. It's best suited for advanced users who want to explore embroidery and sewing with maximum flexibility. If you're ready to invest in a top-tier machine that pushes creative boundaries, the SE700 is undoubtedly the best choice on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.